Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Right, let's have a look at this, which is kind of a different question on Surds. Form a quadratic equation given the pair of roots 2 plus or minus root 5. Give your answer in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, there's two ways of doing this. Any quadratic can be written as x squared minus the sum of roots plus product of roots equals to 0. Okay, so we have two roots here. We have 2 plus root 5 and we have 2 minus root 5. Okay, so let's work out the sum of the roots. So sum means to add. So I have 2 plus root 5 plus 2 minus root 5. Plus root 5 minus root 5 cancels, and I get 2 and 2 being 4. My product of my roots, I have 2 plus root 5 multiplied by 2 minus root 5. So 2 2s are 4. 2 by minus root 5 is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5. Minus by plus is a minus. Root 5 by root 5 is 5. Okay, and just like I'd expect, the 2 in the middle would cancel because remember we've changed the sign in the middle, so that's what we'd expect. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Okay, so therefore your quadratic is x squared minus the sum of the roots plus the product of the roots equals 0. And that's it done. Okay, so a nice little way of doing it, if you can remember this formula here, x squared minus the sum of the roots plus the product of the roots equal to 0. Now some schools teach that, some don't. Okay, so is there an alternative if you haven't seen that before, or is there another way if you think, oh, I might not remember that formula? Okay, well there is. When they tell you the roots, you can write down then, so if it's a root, it means it cuts through the x-axis at those values. Okay, so if I was to plot it, this graph, this quadratic would cut through the x-axis at 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. Okay, that's what a root is. Okay, so if it's all right with you, I'm going to split this up into its two roots, 2 plus root 5 and the other one is x is equal to 2 minus root 5. So I've just split it up into its two roots. This is a shorthand way of writing it. This is the longer way with the two roots. And the reason I did that was from there, I would like to form the factors. And from the factors, I'm going to multiply them out. And I'm going to get my quadratic. Okay, so to form the factor, he would come over this side so that I'd have x minus 2 minus root 5. And in this side, I would have x minus 2 plus root 5. Okay, and when I multiply these out, hopefully they will give me the same quadratic. Okay, so it's a bit harder to do it this way, but nonetheless, so what I'm going to do is x by everything in the second bracket, minus 2 by everything in the second bracket, and then the minus root 5 by everything in the second bracket. Okay, so x by x, x squared, x by minus 2, minus 2x, x by plus root 5, plus root 5x. Okay, then I'm going for the minus 2 in that first bracket, so minus 2 by x, minus 2x, minus 2 by minus 2, plus 4, minus 2 by root 5, minus 2 root 5. And then I come in here for the minus root 5 by everything in the second bracket. So I'll have minus root 5x. I will then have minus 2 root 5. and then I'll have minus 5. So let me see, did I make mistakes? Looks like I did. So x by x is x squared, x by minus 2 is minus 2x. I made one here, x by the plus 5. I merged them together. Okay, so I'll have plus root 5x. Okay, so minus 2 by x, minus 2x, minus 2 by minus 2, plus 2, minus 2 root 5. Okay, minus 5 root x, minus by minus is a plus. Look at that, another mistake. 2 root 5, and then plus by minus 5. Okay, minus root 5x cancels with plus root 5x, plus 2 root 5 cancels with minus 2 root 5. Okay, and then let's tidy up. So there's my x terms. So I have x squared, I have minus 4x, and then I have the plus 4, minus 5. Yep, and that's all the terms. Gives me my minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so a perfectly acceptable way of forming your quadratic 2, just as you can see, like what I did, very easy to make mistakes in it. Okay, so either way gives you the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.